Hello, I'm Teacher Amelia, and I teach English as a second language online while traveling around the world. I'm still in Morocco, but I've left Marrakesh and traveled to Essaouira. Welcome to Essaouira. So what better opportunity than now to offer a lesson on double consonants? This video has a couple parts. If you've seen my last video, you know that means 2 parts.
So what is a double consonant?
Well, double means 2, 2. The difference is that when you have a couple of items, people, places, things, or ideas, the 2 items may be the same, similar, or different. On the other hand, double means 2 items that are the same, not different. In the English language, there are 26 letters. 5 of those letters are vowels, and the rest are consonants. Now my assistant Badr will tell you all the double consonants with illustrations.
B, B, C, C, D, D, F, F, G, G, H, H, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. How many double consonants can you count?
The bees are buzzing. I saw a double consonant. Did you?
Z, Z.
The seagulls are flapping their wings. I saw a couple of double consonants. How about you?
L, L, P, P.
The kitten attacks the small white ball. I saw a few double consonants. Did you?
T, 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 T. L, 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 L.
I'm spinning in my spiffy dress, filled with happiness, trapped in this literal bliss. Wow, I saw a lot of double consonants. How about you?
N, N, F, F, S, S, L, L, P, P, S, S, P, P, T, T. Psst, Emilia, you missed one. S, S.
The little man is selling peppers.
T, T, L, L, P, P. How about a funny one?
The ass is wagging its tail.
S, S, G, G.
And with that, we are immediately bidding farewell.
Inshallah,
Lord willing.
Teacher Amelia will have a lot more videos for you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Thank you so much for your support.